What is this?
Ha? Balbakwa na daw.
Itlog.
Ha? Gulay?
Itlog guard, dyan guard.
Pork.
Pork? What is that? Atay?
Yes.
How much is that? Pira?
50.
50? Do you have a whole fish?
Buo ba? May isda. Anong ilaw? Na?
Okay.
Sa daw? Buo nga isda ba? Ilaw nga isda yan. Anong ilaw yan?
No? Yeah.
No. Ilaw nga isda daw? Oo.
No?
Nothing.
I like big piece.
What?
I like big piece. So one piece 50 pesos? How about this one?
15.
Balut? Balut?
No. Egg.
Egg?
Boiled
Itlog?
egg. Yes. It's a boiled itlog.
Both itlog, okay. How about chicken? What do you have chicken?
Chicken. What kind of chicken?
Adobo.
Fried chicken. Adobo. Ate, adobo ng manok? Nothing.
This one?
No, it's no.
Atay?
Liver, yeah.
How about this one? What do you have? Rice? Balbakwa?
Over there.
Okay, give me one piece chicken, one bowl of rice, and soup.
Only soup?
Yeah.